Hey guys, it's Tony with another episode of Unusual Options activity. This time we are looking at AMD. My code picked up another big play, another big volume position on AMD for January 29th, the $95 calls. I think, if I remember correctly, it was like $4.9 million for these $95 calls. And I think next up were these $100 calls. Expiring January 29th. I think the volume on these were maybe like $2 million, I think, for these $100 calls. But I think the better play, just because you guys know that I like playing in the money or closer to in the money, I think it's always a better play. But these $95 calls were close to $5 million in volume, which is absolutely insane. Another like it's one of the bigger positions that I've seen with my code coming across it. But yeah. $95 call expiring January 29th for AMD. It's about $5 million in volume. I think it was like 4.9 something. And I think for the $100 calls for January 29th, it was like a $2 million in volume, or closer to like $3 million in volume for these $100 calls expiring January 29th. So I think anything in between $100 and $95 is a good play. Again, take your own risk. I'm not saying these are guaranteed money. They're not, right? Nothing's ever guaranteed, but as of right now, there does seem to be pretty unusual activity on these options in the last like week or so. So we'll see if they hit or not, right?